often how we characterize pervasive concepts like enemy, rivals, competitors, and adversaries in our discussions of peace and conflict were really poorly defined. So it is my hope now to clarify these concepts and understand how they become narratively constructed in countries that have gone through processes of decolonization and democratization. This is my third year at Cornell, and throughout my graduate career, I've been a fellow with the REPI Institute. This means I've spent almost every single Thursday lunch hour with other graduate fellows and members of the Cornell community to explore questions of peace and conflict together. This, for me, has been an incredibly generative experience. It helped me think about the kind of research I hope to do. And besides learning from this community of experts and students who share my interests, the Institute has been a key platform for me to brainstorm with them about our roles and responsibilities as aspiring academics in peace and conflict studies. I first began working on this paper about South Korean responses to Japanese apologies for its colonial crimes, including wartime sexual slavery, known as comfort women, and forced labor. And I remember thinking that a lot of the literature that had been written about it was wrong, but I couldn't point my finger on it. I really started narrowing down my intuition about this research through deliberating it with the scholars that came to speak at the REPI Institute, and began to really feel that I wanted to focus less on the perspectives of the perpetrator, which is so prevalent in my discipline, and begin emphasizing the perspective of the victims. I also received financial support from the REPI Institute, as well as travel grants from the Einaudi Center and the East Asia Program, which have funded my summer research in South Korea and Japan, where I conducted preliminary research to develop this idea further. The advice I have for students, as we say in Korean, is that 백지장도 맡으면 낫다. It means essentially that a job is always easier when done together. This has been certainly true in my own experience at the REPI Institute, and I hope more students will take advantage of these communities like REPI that the Einaudi Center has helped foster.